So I chose to do an apprenticeship after college because I wanted to start working straight away. I've been working since I was young, well since I was 15. I'm just very work driven and career driven. I just wanted to get out there and explore early instead of going to uni. I found it quite hard at the start to try and get an apprenticeship. I started looking just over a year ago and it was really hard because a lot of places weren't taking me on, so I didn't have the right experience, and due to the pandemic I couldn't get any work experience in. And then I came across Protocol that I've done some research on, and I read their website. It got some good reviews and high pass rates. I was like, this sounds really interesting. And then I just went into Protocol one day and I was like, I applied for the job here at Principal and doing business admin, and yeah, it took a while to get there, but it was worth it. So on my journey so far, they've been very helpful with me, supporting me in my needs, like outside of work as well. And I find that really supporting towards me, it helps me, and I feel comfortable where I'm working, and with them, if I have any problems, I feel like I can always go and talk to someone and that's going to be resolved straight away, so it's really comforting to know. I feel like an apprenticeship now is just the way to go. Compared to university, it depends on what you want in life, but if you want to get into the workplace early, then it's just a way for you're learning whilst you're earning money. What more could you want? After my apprenticeship, I would like to continue working within the company. I want to work my way up the work ladder and start earning more money, and hopefully be a credit control assistant. That's where I'm aiming towards. I think my advice would be just take your time, don't jump straight into it, because you don't want to choose the wrong apprenticeship, or even though you feel like you're stuck, you kind of start applying for whatever comes to you, but you don't want to regret that choice you make at the end of the day. It's completely down to you, and yeah, just take your time, do a lot of research and find what's best for you.